Hello and welcome. Today we're going to be looking at the S.P.T.A mini detailing polishing tool set. Let's see what we get in the box. Okay, so get a warranty card. We'll go through all this in a little while. Go through the foam sponges and everything. There's quite a bit in here actually. So what I'll do, I'm going to lay it all out and then we'll have another look, because I didn't expect there to be so much in there. So having laid it all out, you can see that you get quite a bit for your money. I'm going to put a link in the description below of where I got it from and the price and everything. So you get the cone cylinders, you get 5 of each one of them. You get a coarse, medium and polish. Same with the cone, so you get a cylinder cone, and then you get the 1-inch pads and the 1/2-inch pads. You get an array of all different ones, and you also get some metal polishing pads also included. What I do like about this kit, it comes with an actual adapter which allows you to use it on a rotary, you can use it on a drill, you can use it on a Dremel. So if you're a person that's only got a DA polisher because you're new to polishing, or you're a little bit scared of a rotary, this kit will still work for you as long as you have a drill or Dremel to go along with it. What I will do, I'll put it together and we'll test it out on a drill, we'll test it out with a Dremel, and we'll test it out with a rotary, and then we'll actually go out and start using it on panels on a car and test and see how effective the pads are. First of all, we're going to test it with a drill, just to show it can be used with other products apart from a rotary. So what we'll do, we'll get a heart. You get the usual front, should fit in the drill. You get a tool to tighten up your hardware onto the front of the flexi tool. So let's say tool will go in the side. This will lock it so you can actually loosen and tighten the product. So loosen it a little bit more. So now have it in. That's now locked in place. You can remove the tool, and I think to show on camera we'll put something that can easily be seen, and then you can actually control it, control the speed. So that's using it with a drill. That one there's unplugged. It should actually be same with a Dremel. You get the usual, should just plug in with the Dremel, make sure they're soft. So Dremel's actually on now. It's not ideal spinning the pads when there's nothing on it, but I'm just showing you what you get included and whether it works or not with what the company's claiming. So far happy with it. Just push this back for a second. And this is also, this is the part, the M14, where you attach it onto your rotary. Just have a look, this might need adjusting. So that's on there now. This one has speed settings, so I'm going to put it onto the lowest setting at the moment. So, just so you can see it again. It's all working. Now what's left is to go and actually test it on panels on a car and see how we get along. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to test the product. This BMW Shadow Chrome, and you get all markings that don't come out by the usual rub or anything like that. I'm going to give a little test on there. Do a little section. There's actually blemish there. I'm surprised if I can take that out. We'll have a little look. See how it is. Okay. You can clearly see the lines there. Don't know how well it's showing up on camera once again. You get the cone filters. Okay, so having had the opportunity to use this now, very impressed. Ideal for interiors also. What did really impress me is you can use it with a drill, you can use it with a Dremel, and you can also use it with a rotary, so it's not just for people that have only got a rotary. If you, as I said earlier, if you've got the other things, you can use that. You can use it with a drill and a Dremel. These are ideal, fit in between grills, help polish them up. For door handles, smaller areas, I would actually recommend this kit. and thank you for watching.